Welcome to Gunongan, an Aceh Darussalam Kingdom architecture building that was built by Sultan Iskandar Muda for his lovely consort, Putra Pang. Now we are at the gate of the Gunongan. And next, we are going to Gairah Park. The idea of Gairah Park or Pleasure Park, located near the Aceh Darussalam Palace, is closely related to India and the Middle East, especially Persian and Afghanistan. The main idea is that the perfect palace center is expressed by the ideal park. Before we get inside the Gunongan, I'll take you to see Lesung. Lesung is a decorated cavity stone. It is a shallow well. The princess used it to wash her hair. Now you have the idea of the princess' past experience before we go up to the Gunongan. We will get to Gunongan through Pintu Guha or cave door. The gate of Gunongan is located in the south of the Darud Dunia complex. When we get into the building, we will find a narrow corridor which stretches up to the top of the Gunongan. Now let us come into the Gunongan. First, there is an entering room which is called Guha. Guha is a place that has essential functions, especially related to mountains and waters. Both are places for meditation. In this place, someone can isolate himself to be closer to God. At the Gunongan, we will both go to the contrary and up through the clockwise. It represents the connection between the sky and the world, and the ground as the center. All of these elements are represented perfectly in the Gunongan. Gunongan is the mountain replica dedicated by Sultan Iskandar Muda for Putra Pang, who missed her homeland in Pahang, which geographically are mountainous and river areas. Now we are at the top of the Gunongan. Enjoy your sight as what Putra Pang saw 5 centuries ago. Beside Gunongan is Kandang Yang Mulia, or Kandang of the Majesty. All photographs of Gunongan and Kandang showed many tall trees that grew in Kandang. The Kandang became the last retirement place for Iskandar Sani, Acehni Sultan who ascended after Sultan Iskandar Muda died. The archaeologist has found some gold ornaments here. From here, let us go across the Putra Pang Park. Pinto Cove is a part of Putropang Park. It is a dome-shaped gate located in the connecting gate between Gairah Park and the Palace Yard. Only the royal family was allowed to pass this gate. Indeed, you are our exceptional guest for today. This gate has a narrow and low entrance door and a high roof inside. It represents the gate to heaven. All visitors, we are at the end of our tour. But before that, I want to show you the mesmerizing view of the river called Darul Iski or Krung Daroy, located right in the center of Putropang Park. Please sit comfortably and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of Krung Daroy River with its clear and fresh water. Imagine that you were here 500 years ago, having a warm conversation with Aceh Darussalam royal family under the big tree by this river in the Putropang Park.